Hello everyone, it's me again, teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. Today we are going to learn how to answer the question, what is it? What is it? But before anything else, let's talk about it's and it is. What's the difference? Well, it's with IT apostrophe S is a contraction that means it is or it has. But today we're going to focus on it is. So, one more time, it is. Instead of saying it is an apple, we could say it's an apple. I hope that's clear. Well, let's continue with the question, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, hold on. I forgot to ask you. Can you still remember the lesson we had last time? Help you. What's the question again? Let's say it together. What is it? What is it? What is it? Let's start with number one. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a clock. It's a clock. It's a clock. Number two. What is it? What is it? It's a door. It's a door. It's a door. Number three. What is it? What is it? It's a board. It's a board. It's a board. Number four. What is it? What is it? It's a window. It's a window. It's a window. Number five. What is it? What is it? It's a desk. It's a desk. It's a desk. Number six. What is it? What is it? It's a bin. It's a bin. Number seven. What is it? What is it? It's a cupboard. It's a cupboard. It's a cupboard. And lastly, number eight. What is it? What is it? It's a chair. It's a chair. It's a chair. It's a chair. That ends our video for Unit 1, Lesson 2. Once again, this is Teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. Goodbye and see you next time.